The Quick Reports tool allows users to quickly create a study area and run an infographic report. You can do so by creating an address, and then simply selecting the buffers for your analysis area based on rings, drive times, or walk times, and then selecting the infographic report of interest. With just a couple clicks of a button, you have client-ready reporting at your fingertips. You can also create analysis areas based on boundaries. Here, I'll simply type in the state name for California, choose my analysis area, and then choose the report of interest.